Hey guys, Sachin here. Now this is a third month review video for my lead gen secrets as I promised. Uh, this is the results after 90 days. Okay, so I'm going to be going through my affiliates tab to show you what are the results after 90 days. And if I click on the commissions, you can see over here there are some commissions which are growing up. Okay, so the last time we updated, I guess it was like $40. Okay, after 60 days, and after 90 days it is well over $80. So I'm growing, not speedily, but surely it is growing by a steady rate. Okay, now something I want to share with you, which is realistically you need to understand, and which not a lot of people are going to be sharing with you. Okay, so let's just pay attention over here. Now the first month when I joined on 31st of March, I guess 31st or 30th March, and the first sale happened on 6th of April. Okay, after 6 days of after joining. The next sale took like 14 days to come in, and believe me, I'm just promoting this my lead gen secrets. Okay, I'm not promoting any other link. Maybe 1 or 2 days I have promoted a ClickBank offer or an Warrior Plus offer, but out of 90 days, you can say like 86 days or 87 days I have promoted only my lead gen secrets. Okay, so today I have promoted a Warrior Plus offer, which I'm going to be showing you. So the first thing I want to share with you, the first sale happened after 6 days. Then it took 14 days to happen the second sale on 20th. Again, if you really look at it, after 14 days, it took the third sale happened. Okay, and then after that it took like, what is that, 9 days for the next sale, and then it took 7 days. Okay, so the gap is lowering. Okay, the gap is narrowing down, and now when I see, oh wait, okay, this is a recurring commissions. So after 19 it happened again after 7 days. After 26 there was a big gap. Okay, for like maybe you can say 10 to 12 days. Okay, so on 8 I got another sale. After 8 I got sale on 16th, though that is like 8 days. After 16th I got sale on 19, which is 3 days after. Again after 19 I got sale on 23rd, which is of course again 3 to 4 days, and again after 23rd I got sale on 28. So that is after 4 to 3 days. So I'm expecting a sale. Today is what, 1st of July. I'm expecting a sale tomorrow or maybe a day after tomorrow. So the gap is now 3 to 4 days. After every 3 to 4 days I'm getting sale, because I'm consistently emailing only this offer. Now, another thing I want to share with you is the first month I got 2 sales. You can see over here 2 sales, promoting only my lead gen secrets. 2 sales. The next month I got 1, 2, 3, then 4 sales in the second month. The third month I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales in the third month. So this is the third month and I got 5 sales. So it is increasing, not rapidly but steadily. Yeah, the first month 2 sales, the second month 4 sales, and the third month I got 5 sales. So this is crazy. And some of the tips I want to share with you is here is another affiliate link, which I don't know if you guys know it or not, that basically you can use, and I'm going to be sharing that link to you. And this is the link which the support team of my lead gen secrets have given me. They have got a lot of results from this guy. His name is Steve. They got results from 30 day, then 60 day, 274 day, and all these results over the period of 1 year. and then when you click on this one, this link, it's gonna take you to your affiliate link. So this is basically the link. Okay, dailysecretleads.com info. This is my ID, and you can put in your tracking link over here. And suddenly, if you ask me, this page really converts really well. So I'm going to click on affiliates tab to show you.
People are getting insane results using my advertising secret.
So I'm going to click on downline. I'm going to click on this upgrade, and you can see over here from this page I got the last sale. Okay, the source is over here. Okay, so my point here is that this page is converting really well. Okay, another thing I want to share with you, this link I would highly recommend to promote this link. Okay, if you're not familiar with this link, I'm going to be showing you that thing, but this is the main page, the main sales page, and this is the page which is converting really high. Okay, if you want to promote it, you can promote this link as well, but this page is converting really high because if you understand this, my friend, for the last 2 years, these guys had only this link. They had only this sales page, and now they have added this 3 pages over here. But to be honest, this first link converts really well. Okay, it really outranks all of these affiliate links. Okay, sometimes you can mail this link also. Usually what I do is I basically add both links. Okay, so I'm going to go to, yeah, so sometimes you can see over here, if you ask me, sometimes I add both links. Okay, another thing these guys shared with me, which I'm going to be sharing with you as well, is you can basically add your personal images. Okay, now in this case I have used my email swipes. This is also a good tip which I got from the support team, that use your email swipes. Okay, just one link, hyperlink over here, and also I add any questions you have, you can email me. That is my personal email. I will reply to you within 12 to 24 hours max, and my picture over here. Okay, another thing which I had added over here in some of the emails was this is me, princess. This was my daughter's image, but unfortunately it's gone right now. But you can also add some of, if you have a baby, if you are family guy, you can add your pictures with your family person if you wish. Okay, but that would create a great kind of engagement with your subscribers. And trust me, I got a reply from one of the subscribers to my email. Not going to show you that email, so sorry, but he contacted me and he told me that I have joined my lead gen secrets under your link, and your princess is as same as his, because he had also a daughter. So that is so great to have people connect themselves with you, and this is how you can make a good connections, and people are going to be people are really looking for real stuff. Okay, to be honest, people are looking for real stuff, and they like when you be normal with them. Don't try to be a salesy person. Okay, always use your email swipes, which is highly recommended. If you don't have, you can connect with me on Facebook. I'm gonna be sharing with you some of the swipe files. Okay, and my click rates are increasing. You can see right now I have like 18,000 leads over here, and every single day my click-through rates are increasing. So if you want some swipes from me, you can have it. If you can also have master email swipes, you can use those swipes as well. Okay, these are 30 email swipes which are converting really well. Okay, but I would recommend you to use your email swipe. Why? Because a lot of people have already bought this my master email swipes, so they are also emailing the same swipes. So if you become some kind of unique by emailing them your personal email swipes, then that could be a really added advantage, my friend. Okay, now today, for fun instance, I promoted one of the ClickBank, not Warrior Plus offer, just one day, and I'm gonna show you which offer I promoted. And not yet I have got some clicks or sales on this offer, but I have promoted this offer from John Armstrong, which is just released. This is called TweetX. Okay, so let's see if I get some sales on that. I'm going to be updating it in the next month. So that was my results for you after the 90 days. So if you calculate my return on investment as a business, when I started on 30th of March or 31st of March, I paid $6, as you know. Then 3 months time, it's like $90, but $90 plus $60 is gonna be like $150. As of now, I have spent on this business and I have made over $80 back. So that is a good return on business to be started. And as I said in my first video, that I'm gonna be going through at least 6 months, but now I'm assuming that I'm gonna be going through at least 2 years in this business. Okay, because I am understanding the potential of my lead gen secrets, that when I would have like 100,000 email subscribers and I would mail them, the gap between getting sales is going to be like, I'm going to be getting daily sales, because now the gap is like for 3 to 4 days. I get sales every 3 to 4 days, and slowly my downline is going to increase. So now it is 9. It's surely going to be increasing. And trust me, remember my friend, when you get 200 upgraded members, and if you get some kind of 100 people that are recurring commissions, that is 100 people recurring commissions of $5, it's going to be like $400 every single month without doing any work. It's just a 5 to 10 minutes of work every single day. That's it. And also understand that you would get paid on every downline of this kind of thing, that levels also. Okay, so that would be an additional income. So you need to be consistent for at least like 2 years now, I would say, not 6 months. I would be continuing with this my lead gen secrets at least for 2 months. I'm using only these guys' email platform because it is getting me a really good amount of clicks and open rates. So I'm really happy about it. And let's see after 120 days what kind of results I get. So that was my review for you for my lead gen secrets. After 90 days, I made $80 and I got 9 downline members over here, 9 downline members, and I'm making like the first month I made $10, 2 sales. The second month I made 4 sales. It's like $30, and this month it paid for itself. I made over, what is that, $40. Okay, so it paid for itself. So now my cost for my lead gen secrets is covered up by the sales, so I'm not going to be worried about the $30 bill that is charged every single month. Okay, so that is my review for my lead gen secrets after 90 days. Stay tuned on my channel if you want to get updated on my 120-day my lead gen secrets review video. All right, thank you so much for watching my video. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye bye.